Are you fucking kidding me?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Bone Podcast, where we discuss all things crypto market. That includes the majors like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, meme coins, and of course, NFTs. Today, we're going to talk about the massive crypto pump. Huge inflows coming into the ETF products. The U.S. removing crypto broker rules. China talking about a bunch of stuff. Maybe softening their stance on crypto. Who knows why it pumped, but we pumped.
China!
We're also going to talk about Robinhood launching SOL staking and ETH staking in the United States. We're going to talk about all the inflows coming into crypto via treasuries and ETFs. GM. I'm joined here today by Kix and Easy. Kix, how you feeling today? We had a god pump yesterday.
Dude, fucking phenomenal. Wife saw it. She's not talking shit about Hyperliquid anymore. Yo, yeah, no joke. What? Wednesday? No, maybe yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday, I told her Hype's $42. She's like, it's probably going to go back down to 39. I was like, what kind of attitude is that? You got to work for your bags, hun. You got to believe in this shit. You're all about manifestation. And look what happened. I manifested that. Now it's at a 46. We're almost halfway there. Baby Billy going to get you a big old SUV.
How deep is she into her crypto journey? Is she waking up, like rolling over and popping up her open coin market cap at this point?
No.
Not yet.
She kind of thinks she rarely checks it, or she only checks it when she can criticize it. She's probably just silently fuming today, knowing how good it's doing. I didn't even tell her the price. Hey, can we run back the actual best remix really quick? It's 30 seconds. I already moved to when he starts singing. You ready?
Hit it.
Not true. Not a crypto boy. I'm a crypto man. You think I don't make bank, but I can. Sitting over there with your judgmental eyes. I got my eyes on the prize. You don't think I make money, but I make more than you. I put it in my savings and I look at you and I'm a crypto man. Now what?
I've never heard that one before.
That's just the best. Dude, I got 1K likes on that back in the day. I just straight stole that and put it on my Twitter.
That's so good.
I'm feeling like Baby Billy today. Baby Billy going to make a lot of money on crypto in Q4.
Oh my God. I'm feeling good. Easy. How you feeling this morning?
I started 75 hard yesterday. I feel like shit.
Is that like you beat off 75 times in a day?
No, it's a 45-minute outside workout, a 45-minute inside workout, 10 pages of book, no cheat meals, a diet, 1 gallon of water a day. What else? I have an app for it that I track on it.
That adds up to 86.
I don't know, dude.
Why is it called 75 hard?
It's 75 days of doing this.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
I just golf once a week and I feel phenomenal, dude.
Yeah, dude. It like absolutely kicked my ass yesterday. I rode 10 miles on a bike, which was the outside workout, and then played basketball for like 3 hours.
Outside workout in Florida, like 75 hard in Florida is different than 75 hard in Michigan, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So it was.
You sweat the second you get outside. You're like,
oh, the second I sit on the fucking bike, I'm like fucking drenched. I'm like, all right. But today's day 2. I'm reading an interesting book that's about this UK trader. It's called, oh God, what is it called? Dude, I haven't read a book in a very long time. So I'm like, that's
better not be about that ball fuck that's a socialist.
No, it is called, give me a sec. I can tell you. One second. Pause. Please wait. I gotta go back. What the fuck is this book called?
Investor. I'm gonna find it before you.
Probably.
Tim Hale, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing.
No,
Smarter investing.
no, it's about this guy's
right?
journey. No, it's about this guy's journey in a UK bank and how they wanted him to do some shady shit, and he said no. It is called. Oh God, I just had it.
I'm dual wielding books right now. The Man Who Solved the Markets about Jim Sion's Medallion Fund. So trader, kind of like you, Easy, right? Other side, The Swarm by Orson Scott Card.
The Swarm is good.
I like
The
Orson
Swarm is
Scott
good.
Card. Ender's Game stuff there, right?
It's a little prequel. It's about Razor, back at between the first and the second.
Oh, it's
Formic War.
called it's Gary Stevenson, the trading game.
Yeah, no, that's the fucking socialist, dude. Who
Yeah.
recommended this stupid book?
Is he the socialist?
Yeah, he's all British guy. He hops on television. He says, I'm rich and I came from nothing, and the rich should pay their fair share too.
Yeah, so like there's parts of it I don't fully agree with already, which I can tell, and then there's parts of it that I'm like, okay, I really like some of the shit he's saying. But yeah, I don't know. I'm ready to...
We need a wealth tax.
Yeah, see, I don't agree with all that shit. I don't agree with all that shit.
Hey, if you need to pay a wealth tax, you're going to love this new partner. We're kicking off a partnership with today. That partner is Cabbage. If you haven't heard of Cabbage, I wouldn't blame you. I wouldn't blame you. We've been using this product ourselves. We love it. Clemente uses it all the time and sends me tickers here. I've been using it recently. It is a meme coin discovery platform. So you use AI on-chain analytics to show different tickers. You can also trade here. They have some really, really early spots on some very big tokens. They spotted here on screen, as you can see, Uranus, the Jupiter token. Hard to spot Uranus sometimes, but they spotted it at 26.1K on their platform, now up to 8.85 million. Dupe spotted that at $500,000, now sitting at 15 million. They spotted Useless under 200K, Stockcoin at 15K. If you're using this platform, you're going to get fed the alpha. You don't have to filter everything down. You don't have to scan through Deck Screener. You can just pop on here. What I like to do is I will go in here. I'll sort by time spotted at. So it's essentially showing like the newest things that they're like spotting / calling on the website. It'll list the market cap, all the information. You can dive into it and see like, okay, I'm going to do my due diligence on this one. This one looks like it could run. This one might not run. But they spot good coins early. And then you can, also trade. Right now, if you are trading on the website, you can participate in Cabbage Clash, essentially a longer-term trading competition. It's nearing the end for total volume, but they still are doing daily giveaways. Trader volume every day. They're giving away 1 SOL per day. They're also giving 1 SOL per day to a random trader. So if you're doing any trading on this platform, you have a chance of winning that SOL. Also, if you tag them on Twitter, you're going to be able to earn Solana as well. You can sign up now. You can go to bodalgos.com/cabbage. That'll get you logged in. That'll get you signed up. That's how you can get in and access to this platform. This is a new platform. We've been using it. We are very excited about it. Kicking off this partnership. You're going to hear more from us about this platform. Love to see it. And we've been actually sharing some of these plays in the Discord. Clemente has been like deep into this. And you see some random calls that he's throwing out there that have been big hits coming off of Cabbage. So shout out to Cabbage. Love using them. Check them out. Check out their daily rewards with the Cabbage Class program. Really excited about this one. And with that being said, Kix, how about we kick it off with a little bit of a weather report here?
Yeah, you don't invite me to calendar links anymore, so I'm going to need you to slide that into private chat real quick. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I can do that.
I'll
talk to our calendar person. I need to get them on that.
No, it's cool, man. So whatever, dude.
Yeah.
Just get AI to do that. You know what I'm saying? Ladies and gentlemen, today is July 11, 2025. It is the month we beat the British for our independence, and the majors like it. They're running, baby. Bitcoin just under 118K. Ethereum just under 3K. Solana at 163. Hype at 45. Baby Billy gonna get that SUV. Just under 46% of the way to SUV. Crypto ETF surge. Bitcoin set a new all-time high. The Bitcoin ETF recorded 1.1 billion. Baby Billy likes billions worth of net inflows, and their Ethereum counterparts saw 383 million of inflows. This marks the second highest day of net inflows for each ETF. Baby Billy getting rock hard right now. Next up, Robinhood launched ETH and SOL staking in the U.S. Now you can get that nice juicy yield on all your coins up in Robinhood. This comes as Florida launched investigation into Robinhood's crypto platform and claims they are the cheapest place to buy crypto. Finally, it was a big day for crypto products as the U.S. officially removed crypto broker rules. There ain't no rules anymore in crypto. It's the Wild West. Get yourself a gun and start taking what's yours. These Biden-era rules required centralized and decentralized crypto platforms to report crypto transaction details for all trades under Over 10K. Get out of our life in our crypto. That's it for the weather report. Back to you in the studio.
Excellent weather report, Foghorn Leghorn. That was tremendous. I think you changed accents like throughout that video.
Yeah, I lost it
It's
a
like
little bit.
slowly shifted demographics across the south.
Feel like
of the
a
United
deep
States.
Southern preacher.
Oh my god, that was excellent. That was excellent. Yeah, lots of news today on a big day for crypto ETFs. Crypto broker rules. So I didn't really understand what this was at first and like why this mattered, but breaking this down, did a little research.
Janet yelling, that little short, mean lady.
So these were put into place late 2024. It was part of the 2021 Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act. It was finalized late 2024 while Biden was still in office. Basically expanded IRS tax requirements for digital assets. They basically said had a very broad definition of what's a broker. It includes decentralized finance platforms, non-custodial services, DEXs, even wallet software developers, miners, validators. Anybody who was like dealing with any kind of digital transaction was lumped into this broker category. And essentially they needed to report details to the IRS on all sales on their platform over 10K. And this is basically impossible for decentralized platforms because they don't have KYC, they don't have customer details. So like these regulations were like basically impossible. And for the ones that they could provide information for, it's like it was very like it added additional workflow that like
basically, long story short, Biden was garbage. Okay. And if you forgot about that, because you got short-term memory, this is a nice reminder of how garbage Biden was for a lot of things, but especially crypto. Okay. So we're celebrating our all-time highs here without that guy.
Yeah. Some pointed to this is why we ran yesterday. I'm not sure if this alone would do it, but this definitely reduces burden on crypto products. Like wallets having to report every single 10K transaction on your software when you don't know who's making those transactions seems like it's an impossibility. And then also just the sheer number of like transactions you'd have to report and tie to people, introduce like high compliance costs, high burden of like data there. So lots of issues there. That's good that this is cleared up now. I think that kind of continues on with our tailwinds of positive regulation for crypto.
David Fowler says, worst president ever. No, that was FDR, worst president ever. Okay.
I don't know. What about that Robert Hoover guy?
Bush top 5. So those are 3 of the 5.
Pio, come on the show. Get out of the YouTube comments.
That's his name, Vamoon.
Yeah, I think this is Pio's.
That's Pio's real name.
What is going on with MST?
Vamoon? I didn't know he was Indian. He does kind of look Indian. He's pretending to be Italian. Really Indian. Fact. Makes sense.
Little known fact. We've got the Robinhood news. We'll very briefly touch on this. ETH and SOL staking. I don't know if anyone's doing this. I don't know how many people on crypto Twitter listening to the show are staking ETH or SOL. I guess if you're a retail trader, this is interesting because you now have like another layer of incentive. You say, oh, I can buy Ethereum and I can just earn on it while it goes up. That's
well,
awesome.
you want to know why you should stake your ETH?
Secure the network.
Because you know what the real price of ETH is right now?
10K.
3,600.
Why is that?
If you staked your ETH the whole time staking's been live, your staked ETH is worth $3,600.
Hey.
How?
Because that's how Lido staked ETH, or not Lido staked ETH. That's how wrapped ETH works. Is it just compounds it on the token itself? So if you were if you've been staking the whole time, your ETH's actually $3,600, dude.
Shout out Tio Chade. Saw us talking about Cabbage. He's degen as fuck. He just funded his Cabbage wallet. Love to see it. Love to see it. We love using them. Give us feedback because we're talking to the team. What you like, what you don't like, and we'll pass it on. Nick, welcome to the show. On time as usual. How you feeling today?
Lost a little fat in your face, Nick.
Did I?
Mm-hmm. Maybe a little too much. Get a little.
Yeah, you
little
can cut as shit today, dude.
Baby Billy like a little fat on them cheeks.
I still got another 5 pounds to go, baby.
How are you feeling after the incident?
What, do you get raped?
Hey, yo.
What the
Jesus
fuck?
Christ. What the fuck? That's not very Labubu of you.
Shit, my little boo-boo's out there.
I'm talking about
It's
the
not very
community
Labubu
note.
of you.
Community note you got on your tweet.
Oh,
Pio just said you're on Ozempic.
Pio?
On his
Yeah,
alt,
Pio's
yeah.
real name is Vamoon.
I'm not on Ozempic. I go to the gym.
Found out. Here was the tell.
So in terms of the, you're talking about people saying that my money's fake. Yo, this is security reasons that I don't do that. I'm about to have to prove them wrong today so that they
Yeah.
understand that my money is real.
What they don't
His
know
money
is
long.
inside that wallet, you like drilled out a little hole, and that's where your ledger sits with all your money.
Well, if you want a little quick, real quick.
Now, I bet you hide your ledger inside your guitar. That's where I would look first.
I bet he hides his ledger in his rectum.
If you want a
That's where I'd look first.
little sample of what's coming later.
What's in the box?
What's in the oh shit.
Damn, dude.
Always got cat.
I like how you have the briefcase for it too. You got the money briefcase for it too.
You got a loaded shotgun, bro?
You concerned about that?
I'm not concerned. I have a loaded shotgun.
Okay. Well, I don't like to talk about my security.
Cool. Yeah. I don't like to talk
Stand your
about
ground laws, baby.
Yeah, I don't like talking about, birdshot, buckshot, slug either.
I dip mine in poison frog. Just let it slow bleed.
Each pellet, dude.
I'm meticulous with it. I sit
Dude,
there
you gotta
watching
switch your
sharks.
keyboard. You gotta switch your keyboard.
No, I know. No,
I'm getting DMs from people about your keyboard because they're afraid to go to you. I'm not even kidding.
Good.
He's muted right now. Just I wanted to give you all a breather. Wow, it actually makes such a significant difference.
You would get along very well with my wife because any little like noise or like sound just like really just like sets her off if it's like something out of the ordinary. Like I move my mic and she's upstairs. She'll yell. She'll be like, "Why are you doing that?" It's just a little squeak.
I mean, I feel her on that front. Doesn't mean that we'd get along well. I mean, but I hope so.
As long as you're somewhere quiet. Next story I want to talk about. We are seeing record inflows into crypto, both on the ETF and the private company side. Looking over at Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, $1.1 billion worth of net inflows going into Bitcoin ETFs yesterday. This is the second highest figure of all time at this point. Almost $500 million into IBIT alone. Ethereum also second highest day of net inflows, 383 million. That is a very, very big number for Ethereum. Most of that coming into BlackRock, 300 mil of BlackRock net inflows. This comes as private companies have also had their largest quarter of purchasing Bitcoin. Bitcoin from into private companies, 159K Bitcoin to their balance sheets in Q2. That's roughly $17 billion of buy pressure. We're continuing to see new companies jump into crypto treasuries, essentially. Yesterday, K-Wave Media secured $1 billion. They're traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Bit Mining is raising $300 million for a Solana strategy. We're seeing this more and more and more. I think maybe the story is like shifting less into like the individual companies that are doing this and more to like the tail effects on crypto at large and kind of what we're seeing and what we expect to see.
Hey, thanks for throwing to me, Ray, on this matter. I'd love to talk about it.
I was about to. Hey, Nick, based on all of this inflow, do you see this as net bullish for crypto or a problem that could potentially spiral out of control down the road?
I mean, this is so bearish, Ray. When people are buying as defined by the book, that's bearish. Back to you. No, the thing that I was gonna say, a couple of things. My question is, yesterday, seeing all these inflows, I decided to shift I don't even want to say what I did. I moved some money. I've continued to buy. So I have a net growth in my crypto position, which was about 90% of my net worth before. Now it's 93%. I'm getting down to no cash. I have literally no cash outside of that massive suitcase of cash. But I'm talking about in my bank accounts. I don't count the physical cash.
Nick, did you buy the ICO pump fund hyperliquid 3x leverage ETF?
No.
Hmm.
Wait, what?
That's thanks. I mean, I'm not. That was a lot of buzzwords I mixed in there. But you could have bought the pump fund TGE, and me and Kix did. We're up nicely.
Yeah, it's
And
very
right.
nice.
What's the market cap?
5.4.
5.5.
And what you got in
5.465.
at 4?
Oh yeah, right around there. Yeah.
So
A little higher, but it's 3x leverage, substantial size. Obviously, this goes to 300 billion. It flips Bitcoin. It's pump fund.
Yeah, you feel a little jealous, bitch.
What's impressive with this is that it has $92 million of open interest.
Yes.
well, it just means there's going to be they're going to sell out
Yeah.
their ICO.
Yeah.
And this is on the backs of a massive acquisition yesterday that everybody was sort of stunned by. They didn't think that Pump Fund had it in them, but they did in fact complete the acquisition that nobody thought was possible, and that was acquiring the website KOL Scan. A lot of people were saying it can't be done. Pump Fund can't close the deal. They can't.
Yeah, I
seal the
remade this
deal.
website on Cursor in 43 minutes. So I'm hoping they give me like a 6-figure buyout.
I mean, just insane. The thing that I was going to say before I was rudely interrupted was I did make a bad trade. I sold my AVAX for some Bitcoin because I was tired of holding it, and now AVAX is up 10%. Oh my God.
Easiest typing to Nick and to reply to him
Dude.
to that one.
I want to be clear. So I have a clicky keyboard too, but it doesn't sound as bad for 2 reasons. One is I have a limiter on the mic, so it doesn't pick up on that.
What's a limiter?
Do you have a Rodecaster? And that's what you're plugged into?
No, of course not. I just haven't plugged it in yet. I just finally set it up. It's been sitting here for a while.
You set that table up on show like a week ago, like you're gonna use it immediately, and it's just been sitting there. You're like, I gotta set up this table so I can put
Baby
my
Billy
Rodecaster
don't
on
like
there.
limiting himself.
Baby Billy don't lie living himself.
So my question, I have a serious question here. What percentage of your portfolio right now is alts? That includes Hype, Solana,
85.
97.
No.
I'm
What-
so overexposed to hyperliquid right now. It's disgusting.
Really?
Baby Billy gonna get SUV.
Yeah.
Have you sold any Solana?
Solana sucks.
I hold very little Solana aside from the staked bag I have, which I don't really count because I don't touch it.
Very little? Isn't that a pretty
Liquid
sizable
Sol.
amount?
Yeah, but I just don't acknowledge it. I pretend it doesn't exist. It's worked for me since $20, so I'm just gonna keep forgetting it exists.
Do you think that where are we seeing Solana go to here?
I
Right
really
now?
don't like Solana.
It does have a nice couple of days here.
It's going
but
to 180.
That's not really an ambitious target.
Oh, I thought you meant the next week. I'm talking the next handful of days.
No, I'm not talking about the next couple of days. I'm talking about
$450.
and where is Hype going to?
$200.
Baby
You
Billy like
think
that.
so?
Yes.
Like that's what you're holding to is 200?
I'll start scaling around 150, but my final take profit, I cut my Hype positions $200.
Baby Billy gonna front run that by a tad.
Sorry, what?
Baby Billy gonna print on that buy tag.
Got it.
No, I said Baby Billy going to front run that price target by a bit.
Oh, I was close.
40. Yeah, I mean, we hit all-time highs in the last day on hype.
Oh my god, I just deleted something from crap. I don't know what I deleted.
Love it.
Hopefully it wasn't a C phrase now.
Sol ETH is looking like absolute garbage. Does Sol outperform ETH or the other way around?
No, ETH will outperform Sol on this next leg up.
PO said BTC ETH never going to hit a new all-time high. That's why it's going to.
I don't think it does, but I don't think it needs to for ETH to outperform Bitcoin. Even if it goes from 40 to 50, 40 to, like you're going to get better returns on ETH than Bitcoin in that scenario. Anytime this chart goes up, you're outperforming Bitcoin. Doesn't need to hit all-time highs. I don't think ETH is something that I'm holding long term like Bitcoin. Like I'm looking at Bitcoin that's like almost fiat at this point, where I'm like putting money into savings. ETH I'd be trading to make more money.
That's exactly what all of us want, because that's how it's going to go to 10K. You just dump in your little paper handy ass shit.
Speaking of paper hand shit and ETH, did you guys see the SharpLink news this morning with the Ethereum Foundation?
So yesterday, I did a very bold move, Raymond. I bought calls on SharpLink. And it turns out they're working out well. I didn't know that. I just figured it was lagging Ethereum's price action. And
hey, thanks for the text message on that one, bro.
Easy goes. Yeah, let me
I probably should have.
SharpLink calls in make a giant announcement and ETH pumps. Yeah, no, I don't know anything about this.
Well, they're barely up because these fucking options are garbage on this stupid asset. They're like, I'm up like 40% on them. Like I'd be better off just leverage long ETH. That's the worst part.
So what happened yesterday, or what broke this morning is that, yesterday news came out that the Ethereum Foundation moved a bunch of Ethereum, and they're like, okay, well, they sold this. Today, SharpLink came out and announced that they acquired 10,000 ETH at a price point of 25.72 from the Ethereum Foundation. So this is like,
there's no way any of these idiots own ETH.
So this is bullish in a couple ways. You have these treasuries continuing to accelerate their ETH adoption, like the ETH in their bank accounts, and then also like you're kind of mitigating the Ethereum Foundation sales. Like this just feels like a better look for the Ethereum Foundation when they're OTCing it to a long-term holder. It's like really like net zero on kind of like their sales, and I bet they're going to.
Yeah, it's like net zero emissions. It's good for the environment.
Yep. Let's take a look over at SBET here. So we gapped up today, it looks like, pretty substantially. Why is this chart only like 3 days? What am I doing wrong here?
Because you're in crypto, bro.
Yeah, this is an SBET token.
Oh my god!
Meme coin.
God! Can you believe this guy?
What an idiot!
That was a good
All right,
buy the dip right there on the gap down.
Is SBET? I mean, is this thing going to 100?
It's a $1.3 billion market cap company.
And
right?
they own 7 billion of Ethereum.
You're kidding.
They own 7 billion of Ethereum.
How much? What's their treasury size that they're targeting here?
Let's take a look. I don't know they have a target size, but I know they are like.
It's funny that that transaction was real with acquiring it from the foundation. Yet, what's her name responded in your replies, Easy, saying that they don't sell ETH.
Yeah, listen, I don't know, man.
What's that account?
Which one? I had Nate Alex yelling at me. I had ICO Beast yelling at me.
No. What's her name? The who we said was a man.
Oh, Art Chick. She responded to me?
Yeah.
You mean
I didn't even say it.
What are you laughing about?
Nothing.
What the hell?
I'm trying to find their total numbers here. This is
what's so funny. Can you share it with the class?
No comment.
So how much? What's their target? Can you give me some fucking?
I'm
insight
looking.
here?
I'm looking for their
Stay
target.
humble. Yeah, you are up $1,000 per ETH token when you showed it on this show last, but you gotta stay humble.
I'm looking for their target. You guys can talk about anything else.
Okay.
Kicks, what was that?
I don't know.
I'm looking for the there's a ETH Treasury tracking website that I'm trying to find the link for, and I'm struggling to find it right now. There you go. Strategic ETH Reserve.xyz is what we're going to want to look at here. There we go.
This was like the longest process to look this up.
Well,
They have 614 million in ETH, market cap of 1.3 billion. But that still didn't answer the question of how much they raised.
they continue to issue and raise.
Um,
So like this is their last announcement, July 8th. They grew holdings of 205,000 ETH. They raised 64 million in net proceeds at an at the market offering 5,500 or 5.5 million of common stock. So essentially they continue to do the same MicroStrategy playbook where they're raising at the money or at the market essentially.
and who's the other person that is this Tom Lee?
This
Yeah,
is
it's
Joe
Big
Lubin,
Tommy Lee.
right? And then Tom Lee would be
I thought Tom Lee was Sharp Gaming thing.
No.
this Joe Lubin.
Oh, damn it.
Which one is
Which
Tom
one's Tom
Lee?
Lee?
Bit Digital.
What?
Bit Digital is Tom Lee.
You sure about that?
I'm not sure about that.
He's just making that up.
I googled Tom Lee Ethereum strategy and Bit Digital is what popped up. Hold on. Bitmine. I mean, could these guys have any like different names? Bitmine is Tom Lee. Bitmine. They raised, but they haven't started purchases yet.
Really?
Pending is what we have here. Bitmine Immersion.
BMNR.
BMNR is the ticker. And this is probably the leading ticker out of all of them.
Yeah, 2.58 billion.
Yeah.
And it's not on that website.
It's on the website. They just haven't bought yet.
Got
It's
it.
under pending.
Well, this is very interesting. One thing that also is interesting is MicroStrategy's performance.
Interesting as in like it's up on the day or like we're not hitting new all-time highs for MicroStrategy even though we hit it for Bitcoin.
It hasn't been, operating as well as we would want. Yesterday it didn't do well.
It's a leveraged bet on the Bitcoin ecosystem. So theoretically, as they continue to dilute shareholder value, their inherent price continues to rise.
I mean, yesterday we gained 1.5%, gapped up today pre-market, up 3% on the day.
Easy, just dude.
What's the
It's
issue?
disrespectful to the audience when you do that. Okay. Thank you. Can you apologize?
Say sorry.
Okay. He's not
All right,
apologizing.
guys, I got a real question. So this stupid ass fucking shit. Oh. Okay, what I want to know, Q4.
What just happened?
What's going to be the
Whoa,
crazy
what's
banana
that?
ass shit, dude? Okay, Q4. Every year, Q4, we get some wild going down. That's where you really can print some money pretty quickly. Just buying a bunch of random ass shit.
I know. I want an NFT season 2.0. Throw 100 grand at it. Turn it into 5 million.
Okay,
That'd be
so
nice.
it could be that. Last year, it was AI agents and Pump That Fun. The year before, gaming and some of the early meme coins. The year before, probably free mints or some stupid ass shit like that and ENS domains. Year before that was NFTs. So what's it going to be this year?
What about streaming?
What?
Like streaming
about
coins?
Streaming.
Like streaming
Yep.
coins on Pump Fun?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm open to that. I'm open to that possibility. What's Gainsy's coin at right now?
Let's take a look.
So I got a little piece of information to put in your noggin.
Okay. Good.
IMST.
Internet market sexual tokens.
No, it's Bitwise MicroStrategy options strategy. And they're doing the what PO's doing to generate income. I'm up 6.3% on my position. And I also got a dividend. And in terms of, let me just look up IMST. I just received a dividend of $653.
How much? do
And
you
I'm
have?
up 6%. Currently, I have $19,000.
So 600 on $19,000 is pretty good.
Yeah,
How long did it take?
3.4%.
How long did it take to earn that?
1 second. IMST. It took 1 month.
Yeah, that's tremendous.
Yeah, so I'm making 3%, 3.5% per month. Plus, the stock is up.
Wait, you're making more than 3.5%. Oh, yeah, not annualized. You're making 3.5% per month. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's really good.
Yeah, which would be 42% per year.
Well, you don't just multiply it; it compounds, right? Oh, and I guess you're not. You're getting cash dividends, right? Not stock dividends.
Yeah, I mean, I guess I could buy more shares with that if I really wanted.
I
Someone
mean,
said
if it keeps performing like that.
I had MSTY. I switched to this based on PO's advice. So that's interesting. Just a lot of interesting opportunities here. So Kick said, "What's the opportunity with it? Are these public companies?
Anything.
One of the trading opportunities here?
Like to make real fucking money.
Yeah, like is it NFTs?
Like
Is
I'm
it
talking about like you put
Bitcoin?
10K into something and it's 50K 8 days later.
Well, we've already had a number of those opportunities.
Right. What's the next one?
What's the meta? There's always a meta in Q4. What's the meta? We got to think about that now. It's July. It's going to start popping off end of September. You get in early October. That's like 10K to $1 million and shit. You get in November, still a little bit you can chase on that. You get in December, better be moving quick. So if we can think now, if we can strategize, if we can at least. So Ray came to the table with streaming. I'm open to that. That sounds like something. I'm going to put that on the list right now. Okay. Could be streaming.
How many line items are on that list right now?
It doesn't matter. We want as many. No, there's no bad ideas. People in the chat, you want to
NFTs.
post something? There's
Bachelor
no
Society,
bad ideas.
RWA. I like this one.
RWA?
We
No
talked
bad
about
ideas.
We talked about StreamX the other day, tokenizing physical gold mines, and like licensing like land and gold mine operations. So like RWA is interesting in terms of tokenization.
Okay. Open to that.
We saw with the, you didn't write down NFTs.
I'll write that down. 2.0, as you call them.
What's the token that
Hey Nick, there's a question in the comments directed at you here. This is from Brett Davis.
Did you get $2,000 worth of this baby? Why is it directed at me?
It's just like such a weird question. Yes, that's likely a scam. Anytime you get $2,000 airdropped of a random meme coin, Brett Davis, it's likely a scam.
What does Clemente mean by gob?
This is our gob insider.
What's that stand for? Gay old boys?
Goblin Town dropped the token.
Okay. Not putting that on the list.
Well, he was an insider on it.
Slump said other side 6 times. Okay, I'll put that at the very bottom. I'm going to put a lot of spaces and then put that. Okay.
I mean, crypto gaming could be interesting if we get more mainstream. I feel like streaming and crypto gaming go hand in hand to an extent.
You say crypto
you could be
gaming?
streaming crypto games while you're making money. That's super interesting.
Okay.
Because streaming crypto trading like is kind of like cool, but I don't know if that appeals to the masses. Like staring at charts just doesn't seem like it's going to necessarily scale to the millions.
What about
Mhm.
Telegram? What about Telegram stickers?
Telegram stickers. Snoop Dogg just raised $12 million on a sale a few days ago on Telegram stickers. I think that meta is right now. I don't know about trading them. I haven't even like traded in the market or like found out where to trade them.
Sorry, he raised 12 million.
12 million vanilla.
12 milli vanilli dollars
On stickers?
stickers.
On stickers.
30-minute sellout. $12 million in sales.
What platform did he sell it on?
Telegram.
No,
The sticker store.
really?
Yep.
I mean, you can just tell why he was able to raise 12 million with equality here.
Sorry. So the founder of Telegram is talking about the sticker store.
Mhm.
I thought
I
there
made
was
long ton today just as an underlying play on this.
I thought Telegram doesn't like that sticker store.
No.
They make
hey,
money on it. It's
hey.
their sticker store.
I think there are different.
What's up with your
stores.
camera
Hold on.
right now?
It did this. I don't know. It did this yesterday too. I'm just gonna leave it.
I kind
It's
of
one
like
those
it.
days,
It's
man.
kind of different.
It's one of
dude.
those days. Yeah, I'm just like pixelated.
It's a little
just one
like
of
color
those days.
diffusion.
Yeah, like just accept it for what it is. I don't know. man.
What's the Bored Ape Yacht Club of Telegram stickers? Anyone know?
Is it Bored Ape Yacht Club? And I know Bored Apes have them. Penguins have them. Sappy
None of
Seals
those.
have them.
It's gonna be something new. It's gonna be weird. It's probably gonna be like Chud Jack.
Snoop Dogg.
Chud Jack.
Is it
probably.
Snoop Dogg?
Probably Chud Jack. It's not fucking Snoop Dogg. We already know in NFTs. Don't buy Snoop Dogg shit.
But Telegram's a completely different market. It's not
Okay.
NFT.
I'm open to it. I'm not gonna say no. I'm open to it.
I think Telegram. I think the disconnect here is this isn't NFT people buying Telegrams. Raise your hand if you bought stickers in the crowd, or like comment on this if you bought Telegram stickers. Like I don't think
Raise your
anybody.
hands in the air if you got the TG stickers.
All right, so Kix is raising his hands right now. Nobody from the audience. Yeah, I don't think this is CT.
Why you laughing
native.
at that, Nick? That's fucked up, dude. You got a sick mind.
Okay.
That was a
Easy.
test.
Do you have any ideas on what could be the Q4 meta?
No. Internet capital markets.
Hey, thanks for listening.
I can see internet capital markets. You
Yeah,
also have
I like that. I got to be open to everything, dude. If you don't like it, it could pump.
InfoFi, on-chain reputation.
That's so lame, but okay.
Yeah, it's lame. You
Put
hate
it down. I'm putting it down.
I mean, on-chain reputation, not only from people like reviewing you, but for what your wallets do on-chain is interesting.
Eddie said DeFi. I mean, the Colscan acquisition, right? Kind of. But the only thing I don't like about that is that's kind of unless it's like a fantasy top, you know what I mean? It's got to be something that everyone can participate in, right? The problem with InfoFi as it stands is it's just like the rich can participate versus like a fantasy top or a friend tech where like anybody can speculate and make money with the top dogs. But yeah, I got that down. I like that. Okay.
Fantasy top is an interesting one. Like it, I mean, it has like a base of people playing it that are all on CT that are all very.
My
active.
camera's getting progressively worse.
Yeah, Alfalfa says, I think it might be something more simple. The next meta.
It's just, the background's gone black and white. I'm like pink.
It's like you ate the whatever and you turned into into what's her name from
A
Willy Wonka?
blueberry and
The
Willy Wonka,
blueberry.
yeah.
That's what I thought too. That's funny. Alfalfa said, yeah, it's always something retail buy, so it can't be like too nerdy.
I think Twitter-based fantasy sports is like could be interesting. But
Telegram stickers.
If Telegram stickers isn't too nerdy, then I don't know.
It's not Telegram stickers.
That means it is. It's gonna be because you're fighting it, dude.
It's
I
not.
wanted to talk about Fantasy Top though because they just expanded to Coinbase Wallet. There's news coming out next week with that, so like that's something to pay attention to. And like I said before, like we've seen
When you said expanded to, it just means you can connect.
No, they have their own like base Coinbase wallet, like partnering with Coinbase Wallet to have an in-app fantasy top app, where essentially they have a new ecosystem on Base, where like they're giving away some cards, they're starting tournaments over there, and they're going to move from Blast to Base, essentially.
Blast the base.
Interesting.
Yeah,
Nice little roll off the tongue kind of there.
yeah. So like that's
Brett
one.
Davis says, nah, Telegram stickers aren't it. I'm telling you, man, more people FUD something makes me more bullish. Oh, look at this,
Look at this
dude.
guy.
It's about to turn into Trevor Jones.
Why aren't you guys responding to my comments?
Which one are you? You're saying the dumb stuff, dude.
Dude, I was freaking dropping fire in there. And
You
none of
said
what-
you said
what's wrong with you
gob.
guys?
Oh, you also said runes.
No, I said hella stuff in there. Dude, I'm
Okay.
sick of you guys. I'm grumpy this morning. You think I
Okay, I'll
slept
put
well in
I'll
this
put
place,
runes
bro?
down if it makes you feel better. I'll put runes down.
I slept like
What else
shit
you say?
last night.
Wait. The Hawk Tour girl sold her
Yeah,
Twitter.
yeah. So apparently she sold it for like 350,000 or something like that.
For X
How do you-
account?
Yes. Nick, I texted you about this last night, except Nick doesn't respond to my text anymore. Nick went viral and started ghosting me.
He started acting different, dude.
Bro, it's bullshit.
Dude,
heard
look at these guys'
350K.
cameras. Easy's over here, pixelated plum. Fucking Clemente's teeth are straight yellow, dude.
Those are just his teeth.
That was crazy.
No, they're
That's
white
me.
again. They're white
Dude,
again.
Easy's camera's crazy.
Wait. She sold her account to a page called Up Only Memes.
Yeah.
You know what Easy's looks like? Easy looks like he's about to like mint this into a rune. So you got to get it low bid size.
I'm
Save on the
compressing
space.
it. I'm compressing the file size.
Well, no one uses Bitcoin anymore, so you have open block space now. You're good to go.
Shit, dog.
You got all 4 megabytes to play with now.
Clemente, did you drink alcohol last night?
No.
The way you said it, dude.
Did you drink alcohol last night?
No, mom.
Clemente, were you consuming alcoholic beverages last night?
I heard he butt chugged it.
I put something else in my butt.
Woo!
Should I repost?
Yo, guys.
Easy to
We had to let you just sit in that one. Just sit on that one, literally.
Should I post that photo?
Yeah, Nick, this is fine. You should post that picture.
I like that this show just turned into an internal call.
Yeah. All right. So what else is on the docket
Should
now?
I
We'll just,
post
we'll
that
just cancel that
picture?
meeting later. I'm gonna be out of the office next week, actually. So Clemente is gonna be hosting
What?
the show. Hopefully, he does it shirtless from a yurt.
Shit. All right. Well, I can quickly recap unless anyone's got some good ideas to add. But right now we have Telegram stickers, also long ton. We have streaming, RWA, NFTs 2.0, crypto gaming, ICM, on-chain reputation, DeFi, and runes.
Rune slash.
This all
other
sounds like
side way
shit.
farther.
What's
Yeah,
up
it's
with
not-
the Kaleo pumping this Bitcoin?
40
Yeah, what's the deal with that?
is bullish Ordy.
Would you guys buy Ordy?
I'm good.
I have plenty of runes exposure right now that would pump it alongside Ordy, I think.
I don't own any runes. Should I own runes?
No.
Do you still own your ETH NFTs? Do you still have the captains?
I think I do. What the hell? What is that?
Little giggle.
Like you just
That was a
asked
giggle, like
me
he's like,
just
"I
to
got him
shit on
good."
me? How do I view? Is
Open
anything
sea.
pumping?
Ordinals are actually what's pumping today.
Are Taproot Wizards up?
I mean, they're up on the day, but to 0.15, so I don't know how that maths.
Oh my god.
I own a Moonbird Mythics.
That's a good one.
I own a Meme Lands Captains. Still.
Quantum Cat's up 58% today.
Shit.
I have my Mutant Ape, which is worth how much?
Couple grand, probably.
I want to say they're at least an ETH, maybe slightly under an ETH. Let me take a look over on OpenSea.
They're under an ETH.
1.6.
$4,500, dude. That's a lot of money.
Are Apes buys here? You see an NFT 2.0?
I have a Meebit.
Let's check out the rewards on OpenSea.
I have a Damian Hirst.
How's that doing these days?
It's just sitting there. 0.6 ETH. Maybe I should just sell all of these NFTs, huh?
I've unloaded most of mine. I'm holding maybe a half dozen that I'm holding a little bit longer term. But most of everything I have is liquidated. I bought a rec guy the other day. We did this live on show. That's a good one. Yeah, I'm holding the Kaido NFT, a couple of the Gristle Buddies from Die with the Most Likes, some Bad Buns for Mega ETH exposure, the rec guy.
I have a Bitcoin punk.
Yeah, dog. Shit.
That's ordinal inscription 23,173.
You're early.
But it's in emblem vault. Is it possible to get it out of there?
You got to unwrap that shit.
Is it possible to do that?
Yep.
Yeah. Yep.
Probably high chance you fuck it up, though.
Extremely high chance you fuck it
I would
up.
just keep it there because if the Bitcoin
Really?
if the Bitcoin punks ever pump again, someone on East going to want to buy it, and you got it sitting right there for him.
Should I get a Bitcoin puppet?
I'm kind of excited for these Bad Buns, Nick, here at this price. I was going to ask Easy what his thoughts were. We're back under
I still have
0.4.
I still have like 4 of these things, dude.
Get the one with the waffle on his head.
Or the one with, what about the one with what's her name in the background from Alameda?
Why would you get these? What makes them notable?
So these are like essentially have been adopted as like Mega ETHs, like NFT, essentially.
It's like a womb that will birth a token.
It's like the miladies of Mega ETH, essentially, at this point, before Mega ETH launches. So it gives you like a little bit of exposure prior to their upcoming launch. And if you're bullish like altcoins and you want exposure to Mega ETH, like there's only a couple ways to do that right now. It's like playing around on testnet, buying these NFTs.
Got Bounce said that he could help unwrap.
Yeah,
I mean, he'd be a good guy to help. He's an ordinals guy, but
he's in the Discord, so he can definitely help you.
Okay.
I think I might buy another Bad Buns today, Easy.
I got 4 of those and 10 monster capsules.
Those are the abstract ones, right?
Yeah, those are at half an ETH. I didn't realize I'm sitting on fucking.
Oh wow, those held up
Yeah.
well. Did you get an airdrop too of token?
Token hasn't gone live yet. I'm just like, they're staked. I'm like top 10 in points because I have so fucking many of them. So hopefully the game launches and it pumps. I'd love to sell them for an ETH, especially on this pump. Net a cool like 20 bandos.
Yeah, I mean that's a good point. We talked about streaming. Like abstract is also like it might not be pump fund. It might be streaming on abstract. You know, like so streaming has like a couple different avenues, especially if like you see Pengu potentially pump and bring interest into abstract. We talked about the thesis for Pengu yesterday, where I basically said like, hey, if it gets an ETF approved, if you think it has as much of a chance of as a Doge ETF of being approved, like it's underpriced.
Let me walk you guys through a little something before we go. I just want to. Hold on 1 second. Make sure this is set up. I just want to walk you guys quick presentation.
Yep.
Okay, can you see this?
Yes.
Welcome to Choose Rich Live. I added a couple things yesterday. Did you see this?
Did you add the tweets?
I have the tweet leaderboards, so you can see what's trending on Twitter over
that's
one
better
day.
than Twitter, dude.
Did you
1
manually
week.
add yourself as number 1 there?
No, it just happens that my photo had 12.3 million. That this photo or this video had 715,000. And then what I also have is a leaderboard of all of the Twitter users, so you can see who's trending right now. Oh my God. I broke number 1 on the week.
You top bonk guy. That's
Come
impressive
after me.
on a week where bonk flip pump fun.
So I've been adding these features because I want to make it easier to filter out. I use this stuff in the morning on the web, and I wanted to give other people the ability to do this. Wait,
Little
it's
morning poop, a little scan. You know what I'm saying?
Sorry. It's not letting me scroll on here, which is interesting. Oh, now I figured it out. I'm outperforming Kobe right now, who literally just replied and got 20,000. Life is easy for that guy. He's living on easy mode.
Everyone has their cross to bear, Nick.
Well, didn't Kobe have a post, like an Easy Road post today that was pretty good? I didn't know it, but I enjoyed it. It was like a quote.
Who did?
Tweet. Kobe did. You know how he was quoted saying the road to 100K Bitcoin is the hard road. The road to 250K is the easy road. 312K impressions today on that one in the last 7 hours.
From Kobe?
Yeah.
And it didn't show up here? Oh, this
Yeah.
4 hours. Sorry.
Yeah, it's like 300K.
There you
312.
go.
Yeah.
This one?
Yep.
I guess that's a quote tweet.
Yep.
I'm updating the quote tweet functionality so it shows up here.
Well, I love it, man. I got to go make some fucking money.
Brett says, is it live? Can I see it? Go to test flight and update. If you're on Android, it takes literally days later for those updates to go through because Google Play Store has to approve internal testing, which is absolutely wild.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. R.chooserich.live to sign up for this one. Bodoggers.com/cabbage to sign up for Cabbage, which we talked about earlier in the show. Cabbage is the premier meme coin discovery platform. Also trade on that. You can enter their Cabbage Clash Season 2 right now. They're spotting a bunch of meme coins. They spotted a couple during the show that I'm at to take a look at. Baby Pump, Coro, Try. They spotted a bunch of other winners like we talked about earlier, spotting Useless under 300K, now up at 300 million. They spotted Uranus, Nick's Anus at 25K. That thing's over 10 mil now. They spotted a bunch of runners early. Love this platform. Clemente uses this. He drops the alpha in Discord when he sees runners here. Check it out for yourself. Bodoggos.com/cabbage to sign up today. That being said, it's been a wonderful week. I'm going to miss you guys next week. I'm out next week. Clemente is going to be hosting the show. So be nice to him. Take care of him. I'm actually excited to watch. I love Clemente as a host.
Why didn't you ask me to host it?
Do you want to host the show next week, Nick?
No, Nick, you're better as color commentary.
9:30 and 9:45 a.m. each morning.
Oh my God, it says my app doesn't adhere to Google Play developer program policies. We will take action.
What does that mean?
They're going to fuck him up, dude.
Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. We do this podcast Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern time. Watch us back on all major podcasting platforms, Spotify, Apple. Watch us back on YouTube. See what we're talking about in real time. See the plays on Cabbage that we're showing on the screen for yourself. Get that alpha. Thank you all for listening. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week next week. I'll see you in a couple weeks. Clemente and the gang will see you on Monday.